1 hour later.
I think I have an idea.
Introducing our active defense system uses the ENT600 accelerometer to instantly detect shocks, drilling, or hammering. When tampered with, it triggers a loud alarm and sends real-time alerts to your phone. With low power consumption and instant on protection, your padlock stays secure without draining the battery. The 360-degree fingerprint sensor lets you unlock the padlock instantly from any angle. It can store multiple unique fingerprints, making it perfect for families, gym lockers, or shared workspaces. Simply add a fingerprint through the app, and the lock will automatically receive and store it. No physical keys needed. Our smart padlock uses a universal USB Type-C port to ensure fast and efficient charging. With just 2 hours of charging time, the padlock reaches a full battery. Thanks to its high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it can last up to 6 months on a single charge, giving you long-lasting security with minimal hassle.